Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla, and today we discuss how we can find the square of a number. Now there are different methods to find the square of a number, and first the method that we discuss is the column method. Let's say if you have any two-digit number, let's say the two-digit number is AB, where B is your unit digit and A is your tens digit. Now if we want to find the square of this number AB, any two-digit number, then its square we can find by using column method, and the square is, we have to make the three columns, and in the three columns we write, in the first column we write A square, in the second column we have to write 2AB, and in the third column we write B square. So in this way we make the three columns, and we have to put the values of A and B in these columns. Let's take an example to understand this method. Let's say if I want to find the square of 35, if I want to find the square of 35, now if I compare this, so here the unit digit is B, that is your B, and the tens digit is A, tens digit, that is A, and here the tens digit is 3, so the value of A is 3. So A equals to 3 here and B equals to 5. Now we have to make the three columns. In the first column I write A square, in the second column I write 2AB, and in the third column I write B square. Now I substitute the values. The value of A is 3, so 3 square. In the second column 2A, that is 3, and B, that is 5. 2AB means they are multiplied. 2 multiply A multiply B. B square, that is 5 square. Now I solve these expressions. The 5 square, we know that it is 25. Now 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, that is 30, 3 square, that is 9. Now after that we underline the unit digits. So the unit digit of this expression is 5. Underline this unit digit and forward all the digits to the next column. So the 2 is carry forward in the second column and add 2 with 30. So 30 plus 2, we get 32. Again we underline the unit digit, that is 2, and then we carry forward 3 to the next column. So here 3 is shifted. So 9 plus 3, that is 12, and we have to underline all the digits that is come in the first column. So 12 is underlined. So what we have done, we underline the unit digits and forward the remaining digits to the next column. We underline the unit digit and we forward the remaining digit to the next column. So in this way, so we can say that 35 square is equals to, we have to write down all the underlined digits. The underlined digits are 1, 2, then after that 2, then after that 5. So the 35 square is 1, 2, 2, 5. So in this way we can find the square of any number. Let's take one more example. Let's say if I want to find the square of, let's say 72 square. I want to find the square of 72 square. Now if I compare it with our two-digit number, that is AB, so this is your unit digit and this is your tens digit. We represent two-digit number by AB. So we can say that B equals to 2 and A equals to 7. Now by column method we make the three columns. First column A square, second column 2AB, in the third column we write B square. Now we put the values of A, that is 7 square, 2AB, that is 2, multiplied by A, that is 7, B is 2. Now the B square, that is 2 square. Now we solve these values. So 7 square, we know that is 49. 2 into 7, 14. 14 into 2, that is 28. 2 square, that is 4. Now after that we have to underline all the unit digits. So in the third column the unit digit is 4. So nothing is carry forward because no digits remains there. Again in the second column we underline the unit digit, that is 8, and we carry forward 2 to the next column. So 2 is coming here. We add 2, 49 plus 2, that is 51, and we have to underline all the digits in the first column. so we underline 51. So the 72 square is, we have to write down all the underlined digits, that is 5184. So in this way we can find the square of number by using column method. Now the next method that we discuss is the diagonal method. Let's say if I want to find the square of 63. If I want to find the square of 63 square with the help of diagonal method, so as the number contain 2 digits, so I have to make a square. Containing 2 rows, that is 1 and 2, and containing 2 columns, that is first column and that is second column. In this way I have to form a square. This is a square. Now I draw the diagonals of this squares. All these squares I have to draw the diagonals in one direction. So I draw the diagonals of all the 4 squares. Now I write the digits in front of squares. The number is 63. So in the first square I write 6, and after that I write, so same way horizontally I write 63. So in this way I can write the digits. Now after that what I have to do, we just multiply 6. First take this 6 and multiply 6 with this 6. So 6 into 6, that is 36. So we write 3 on the upside and 6 on the downside. Now 6 multiplied by 6, we are getting 36, that is 36. Now 6 multiplied by 3, I am getting 18, that is 18. In this way I have to write 6 into 3, that is 18, that is 18. Now 6 is multiplied already. Now we have to multiply 3. Now 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. So I have write 18. Now 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. So 9 can be written as 09. Okay. 3 into 3, that is a single digit number. For single digit we have to write like this, that is 09. Is it clear? 3 into 3, that is 9, and 9 we write as 09. Okay. Now we have to add all the digits in diagonally. Let's see, in diagonal way we have to add all the digits. So in this direction only one digit is coming, that is 9. So we have to write only 9. Now we see this portion diagonally. So the digits in this diagonal are 8, 0 and 8. So 8 plus 8, that is 16. We have to underline, we have to write 6 only, and because as the sum is 16 we have to write only 6, and 1 is carry forward. 1 is carry forward in the next diagonal. Okay. Now we have to add all the digits that in this portion, that is 1, 6 and 1. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, that is 8, and this 1 carry, so it is 9. Now there is no carry forwarded again, so the last portion remains, so 3 as it is. So the answer is 63 square is equals to 3969. So in this way we can find the square, that is by diagonal method. Let's take one more example. Let's say if I want to find the square of 352 whole square. Now again I have make a square as the number of digits are 3. Now in this square I made 3 rows and I make 3 columns. Now I draw the diagonals of all the squares in this way. Okay. Now I write all the digits in front of square. The digits are 352, 352 vertically as well as horizontally, 352. Now I multiply 3 with 3. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. For 9 I have to write 0 because 9 is a single digit, and for single digit the 2-digit representation is 09. Now 3 into 5, 15, so I write 1, 5. 3 into 2, 6, again a single digit, so we write 6 as 0, 6, 5. Now 5 is multiplied by 3, I get 15. Now 5 is multiplied with 5, I get 25. Now 5 is multiplied by 2, I am getting 10. Now I have to multiply 2. 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, I have to write 0, 6. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10, I have to write 1, 0. 2 multiplied by 2, I am getting 4, so I have to write 0, 4. So all the digits are filled. Now we have to add all the digits diagonally. Now let's start. So in this portion only 4 is there. Now for in this portion, as all the digits are 0, so the sum becomes 0 now. Now for this portion, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 6, that is 19. So we have to write only 9, and 1 is carry forward in the next portion, so plus 1 is there. Now I have to add all these digits, that is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So I have to write 3, and 1 is carry forwarded. So I have to add all these digits, that is 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, that is 12. So I have to write only 2, and 1 is carry forwarded. So in this region only 0 is there, 0 plus 1, that is 1. So our final answer is the square of 352. The square of 352 is 123,904. So in this way we can find the square of number by column method and the diagonal method. Thank you.